In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Instagram. This is a quick and straightforward process that you can complete in just 5 minutes, providing you with a handy digital assistant to enhance your Instagram experience. To kick things off, make sure you're on your PC, open up your browser, and navigate to Instagram's website. Using Instagram on a desktop can sometimes offer a different perspective compared to its mobile app. It often provides additional features and a streamlined interface, which can be particularly useful for tasks involving Meta AI. Once you're logged into Instagram, look towards the section of the page that's related to Meta services. You should see an option titled Also from Meta. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu where you'll find Meta AI. This feature, combining Instagram's capabilities with Meta AI, provides an integrative and powerful tool that can assist you in a variety of ways. After clicking on Meta AI, the interface will open up on your screen. This is your main access point to interact with the AI. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you should feel comfortable navigating it, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now comes the interactive part. You have the opportunity to type out any question or prompt directly into the interface. This could be anything from helping you with creative content ideas, figuring out the best times to post based on your audience engagement, or even suggesting hashtags to boost visibility. Think of it as having a digital assistant that's primed for social media optimization. As you type in your questions or prompts, remember to be specific. The more detailed your input, the more precise your responses will be. Once you're ready, simply hit enter. This action will send your query to the AI, which then processes the information and rapidly returns with a response. You might find this step similar to interacting with a chat feature, where immediacy and clarity are key. As you become more familiar with using Meta AI on Instagram, you'll likely discover new ways it can assist with your social media strategy. This tool isn't just for quick queries, it can become an integral part of how you manage and optimize your content on the platform. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and you're now ready to explore the capabilities of Meta AI on Instagram. Feel free to replay this video or pause it when necessary while you follow along. With practice, you'll be using this powerful AI tool effortlessly, transforming your Instagram experience into something more intuitive and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming.